Arkwebemberamu ekitambo kya misa omu kereziya ya Ave Maria h'ishomero ryabo rya Nsonga omu district ya Kitagwenda. Bishop wa Diocese ya Kasesa Quirinus Kibera yayereka okwatwa ahabwa abantu obutafayo kurinda ebyobuhangwa.
At Easter plant a tree. New Year plant a tree. You said what New Year was it? Plant a tree.
Abeje na munonga bichine ntande yabakomera okureba ngo bahendera jemushomo yabo.
Almost in year 6. That means in 4 years to come, you'll be somebody in this country.
Okurijira har Bishop Kibera, St. Joachim hamwe na St. Anne bakaba bari abazire ba Bikira Maria Shugine bitacho kutangaza ebyafayo byabo tubikumanywa. Bwanyuma y'ekitambo kya misa omukoro gwazo omu ishomero kandi omu ishengyero Kazi Dorothy Nzibonera yarebekaho.
Learn how to be respectful. Have discipline. Above all, always pray to God.
Aha mukoro gw'abeegi bashabwa okutamana hakushoma kutari kwejumbira omu mize mibi.
Who knows? After 20 years from now, we shall be welcoming some of you as Member of Parliament, as ministers.
Mukiza hakusoma buri omwe yarga omuka ya obaneshanachi obergeta ochesimse.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Timothy Mushabe.
Congratulations.